Guys, we got a 2007. Actually it's 7 to 9, the same. Or we're gonna start installing a radio, but in order to do that we're gonna start removing the stereos. So first of all, take this, put over here and start open right there, and I'll pull the e-brake up first right there. Push and pull like this, but I just grab and pull it. So up here you got a Phillips, right? 1, 2. We're gonna remove this Phillips. Now coming down here, I'm gonna look to this. We want to remove this out. This wire is short. Maybe I can move this out so I can reach it better. But let me see how far we got. I'm just gonna push that out first, right there, because it's holding the wire, and the wire is not long enough for me to pull easy. Or I can go right here and pry it and then pull it, but that'd be harder. So I'm gonna push this out, or put it right here like this, twist it. It's gonna come out like this. So now I probably have a better chance of do it easier out here. Right there. I'm gonna see it if I can reach it. I'm trying to get this out easier. Okay, I'm not trying to take it out, too much work. So yeah, it's kind of still hard that way. See that? See, what you want to do, it's easy, but I got it pulled out already. I push this clip, kind of twist this clip. I'm gonna show you. It was not strong in there. So what you do, you put a flat head. Let me show you right here. Put a flat head like that inside this slot right there, and then twist it a little bit and pull the wire out, then it will come out. And the same as the other one in the back over there. But the easiest way to do, once you got that out, here, hold the camera for me. So you push this clip inward, push it that way and pull it out. And also this one, I think it's on the side. Push this side right here. And then the secret lighter, I'm not seeing it yet. I can't see, so I'm trying to see a clip right there from the left. Take a flathead. Like I said, I'm not gonna try to take all this out, it's too much work. And twist it. Push. I'm not on that side, but it's easy to be on the other side. See right here? You push it and then you pull it out. There you go. So now we got that out of the way. So now all you do is take this 4 7mm out, 2 and 4 on that side. Get this out. You push it in and then pull it up like so. Pull it down. I'll show you. Now this is what I mean right there, okay? This clip is gonna be over here, and then you push this one clip downward, and then you pull this down right here, like pull it this way, downward. Push in, and then try to get another finger and pull it down. Now you got 2 4 7mm to take out. Looks easy, guys, but it's not that easy for this one. I thought it was easy. Ford usually an easy install, but this is just, you have to careful with all this right here. So now you got shake it a little bit and pull it out. Now you can't see the wire. It's gonna be hard. You gotta put your finger in there and push the top clip and shake it left and right. And the second one, same thing. I'll show you on that one later. It's hard to put a camera to show you guys. Now the antenna is going to be a little bit harder. Shake left, right, left, right, left, right. Now I'm going to show you how I got it out. So pretend this radio right here. Now what I meant on the big one, this is what we're gonna really need, is push it down, shake left, right, and then it come out. Same thing as this. For the antenna, just grab this black spot right here and just move it left and right, and pull it out. That's it. So I'm going to show you color to color. I mean, just match the same color. If it's gray black, put it on gray black. So you got all this. These are all speakers right there. So I'm going to finish this rear speaker. The left rear is the green. So you just put green to green, green black to green black. So here's green and that. Pull it. If you don't have this, you can use the black tape. But make sure you tape it good. So I'm just doing one by one, step by step. Hey, that's weird. Oh, that is green and black right here. So after we get that, we're gonna go to more of a technical, not too technical, but technical. Just telling you which one power, which one's ground, which one for a brake switch. Brake switch meaning that if you didn't hook it up to ground, if you want to watch a video or something, you're gonna have to put on a park. Basically, you're gonna have to park and watch a video. But putting the ground is kind of illegal. But everybody doing that, so not my responsibility if they watch and drive and get an accident. You hear that, customer? Say it.
Yep.
Okay, there you go. That's what I told them right there. So now the blue and white is turned on the amp. This thing got a remote? No, remote antenna? No, it doesn't have it. So basically you're gonna hook up blue and white to this blue right here. This blue is an amp turn on. So meaning that when the radio or anything come on, when you turn the radio on, it sends 12 volt to this to turn on his factory amplifier. Oh shoot, I forgot one more. So basically he's got a subwoofer output. I'm gonna have to put both of this in here right there. So we got blue and white to the blue. The blue, most of them are blue and white too, but this is an Android, they just make one color blue. So we put this blue right here. And by the way, this harness is, I ordered from Pack. It's called FWH694. Most people pay about $30 for this, so I got a better deal, so I'm not trying to overcharge people. And just put all of them together and crimp them. Now, if you use a backup camera, anything like that, you want to hook this thing up later for backup camera, that pink wire. But most radio are all different. But I want to tell you that yellow is 12 volt constant, meaning the battery is always staying on 12 volt. So the red one is accessory, meaning if you turn the key on, the first click, that's accessory. Second click is ignition. Third click is to start. So basically red is ignition. So I'm going to hook this thing up since this is a brake switch. So I'm going to take this color. Now every car is different and every radio is different. So you need to check your radio and see if it's what color brake switch. Usually they are brown color, but every radio is different, every brand is different, so don't just think orange is. Orange usually illumination on most radio anyway, so be careful on that one. Fine. Mounting kit I'm using, since it's a double din, I'm gonna use 955812, and I mentioned about a harness FWH694. So what I'm gonna do, I'm using oscillating tool. I'm gonna cut this tube bracket out. You can do whatever. You can use a knife and cut this, and same as this, cut this right here. And then you got DDXR, I mean it's on the right side. I'll show you. I'm gonna cut it. Actually no, I'm not gonna waste you guys too much time. I'm just gonna cut it and then I just show you later. I mean, you can do whatever, however you want to cut it. You can take a ply and break it and whatever. As long as you don't break this too, you're good. So we got DDR, so you want this gonna be on the bottom. So we're gonna go right here. See this hole right here? Stick it in right there and push it down and twist it like that. So same right here, go right here. Oh, it's got to get in right here first. Right there. and right here. So now you're gonna put the stereo, whatever stereo you have, from the bottom like this. That, and use the original screw. I want to go from like that first. Here. See that? That's how it's gonna look like. And then right there, you want to match this hole right there with the screw that came with your stereo, and screw it and plug it back in, and you done. Oh, I plugged the antenna. I got the RCA jack right here to the output from the stereo, audio output. It doesn't matter which side it is, but I mean, honestly, if it's white, put on the white, and red on the red, because red mostly is right side. Plug that in. You put everything in, you want to make sure it's turned on. And I don't know why it make that sound. That's pretty loud. Scanning. So it's working.
To start in April. That tariff itself was